So I get asked all the time where I can get additional batteries for my Tinyhawk, and of course here's the one for Emacs here on the right here, 450 milliamp hour high volt 1S. See here, Emacs labeled, but this is just a GNB rebranded battery, and these have been out of stock, at least on the store that I've been checking for a while now, and they sell these for $7.99. You can also get the GNB version of this, of course, just a rebrand, and that's on Amazon for usually around 13-14 bucks for 2 batteries, and it usually comes at a set of 2. But now there's a new alternative battery that just popped up on Banggood. These come in a pack of 5. I think you can get a pack of 5 or a pack of 10, so you can get either a pack of 5 or a pack of 10. So yeah, it's a lot less expensive. This is $16.49 for a pack of 5, so like $3.30 per battery. So yeah, less than half the cost of the Emacs version. So I thought I'd do a comparison test. People were asking me about this one, they wanted to see a test in this. Now this one they're saying this is 80 to 160C in Emacs and 50 to 100C on this URUAV battery. Of course, you know, C ratings are just marketing. I'm not really sure. Yeah, honestly, there's no really way you can test that other than just go and fly it. So what I did was I did basically 2 flights on each of these where I was just kind of flying it around like I would normally fly, not too fast and not too slow, so just sort of, you know, average flying, and they both flew about the same amount of time, about 4 minutes. And then I did another test, and this is the one that you're going to see, 2 flights that you're going to watch. The first one's going to be the Emacs battery, and basically I'm just on a soccer field, I'm just doing circles at about 70 to 75% throttle. I'm trying to maintain that for the entire flight until the voltage alarm goes off. So that's, I think it's set to 3.2 volts on the current settings on the Tinyhawk right now. And then I did the same exact flight on this battery, just around 70-75% throttle, doing circles until the low voltage alarm came on, and then I landed. So you can see and watch when the low voltage alarms come on for each battery. Now, one thing you should note is that this Emacs battery has been through about, I would estimate, this is pretty new, I think I got this recently, maybe 10-15 flights. This is actually the one that came from the Ready to Fly kit. It's actually the newest one that I have of these Emacs batteries. All the other ones I have way more flights on them, so I wanted the test to be as fair as possible. So this has about 10-15 flights on it, and then this one, of course, has just a few flights, maybe 3 or 4 flights. So keep that in mind. They're not both brand new. Of course, the URUAV is a little bit newer. I know people are going to ask me that, and that is the difference you're going to see. And you can see the time that it comes on. I don't remember the exact time. You have to watch the video. I think it's like around 2 minutes and 30 something on the Emacs, and a little bit longer on the URUAV, maybe 2:45, somewhere in there. You guys can watch the video and check and verify that for yourself. But yeah, I would say these batteries are pretty similar. I wouldn't be surprised if this is actually a GNB rebrand. I mean, they're the same size, and they appear to be the same size. It fits in the holder on the Tinyhawk, no problem. Same length, same width, same height. You know, all around it looks pretty much the same. Even has the same connector and wire, and they're both silicone wire there. And well, pretty sure you guys are going to wonder what the weight is, so might as well just go ahead and weigh them. They're probably not going to be that much different. So 13.3 for the Emacs, 12.9 for the, so actually the URUAV is actually a little bit lighter, surprisingly. Obviously, there's no way for me to tell that these are 0.3 grams apart, but yeah, there you go. Just a little bit lighter. What could account for that? Who knows? I don't know, the sticker looks a little bigger on the Emacs one. There's a little bit more sticker, even more tape, something like that. Anyway, I'm going to show you both flights, Emacs battery first and then the URUAV second. And you guys can decide which one you think is better. And I said before, if you just fly kind of normal, not going too crazy, like going 75% throttle for the whole flight, you'll get about 4 minutes in both these batteries. So I thought these were pretty much the same. Obviously the biggest difference is the price and where you can get the batteries at. I think these are only currently available at Banggood. So links to all these are in the description. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.